Today we're talking linear motion again, and I say again because we've done two previous videos on the subject. The first time we incorporated these trolley wheels into a conduit frame with puzzle piece clamps to make a drawer. The second time we showcased a community solution from Leaf, who's building a flight simulator and used drawer slides to be able to move the cockpit front to back. And that was really cool. And today is another community solution. This comes from Billy, or Northwoods Engineered on YouTube, who recently built a really cool chainsaw mill that had all sorts of unique and clever hacks built into it. Definitely check out that video if you're interested. I'll link it down below. And there's all kinds of stuff we could talk about from that, and I'm sure we will in the future. But I want to highlight this solution first because I love linear motion and just adding motion to builds in general. And what I've done here is basically I've got two conduit rails that are running between two builds, and then I've got these trolley wheels attached to this other small frame that I built just quickly for the video, and I use conduit hanger straps to secure the trolley wheels to this little conduit frame. And the reason this solution is different from the other ones we've talked about in the past is this is kind of a freestanding solution, or what's a better way to say it? Maybe it's not really trapped. So like the drawer in the first video, there was only a small amount of space that you could slide it out and you were sliding in and out of a build. And the second solution is kind of similar. You're limited to the drawer slides and the reach that they have. But this, you could do, a 5-foot span of conduit and, have two for the rails, and you could slide something back and forth, as you can see here. Now I've got this kind of as a small scale just so I could showcase it in the video. But as you can see with Billy's build, he did a long span of actually unistrut to be able to slide the chainsaw from one side of the log to the other to do some milling. And you can see that he actually used V-groove wheels and bolted those to the conduit directly, which I think is a stronger solution than what I've done. You can see these conduit hanger straps rotate pretty easily around the pipe, but I did it just for the ease of securing them. But of course you could just drill through the conduit, add the bolt, and bolt the trolley wheels to the conduit frame like he did. And you could use unistrut like he did, or you could incorporate rails into your build to have kind of a rail system that you could slide something on. I can see this being used for maybe you're doing like a packing station, you want to slide something heavy over a span of pipe. That could be really cool. And other ways as well. I'm sure you guys will have all kinds of creative uses, but I wanted to showcase this solution and kind of give you guys the idea for doing a rail system with conduit and having something a bit different than just a drawer or something limited to a small area in a frame. So that's the solution I wanted to share. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.